In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly select and export multiple photos using Lightroom's cloud-based platform. This feature is perfect for those of you looking to streamline your photo editing workflow and efficiently manage batches of images. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open Lightroom and navigate to your photos. When you're ready to make your selection, there are a couple of ways you can do it based on your needs. If you want to select a range of photos that are adjacent, click on the first photo in the range, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding down Shift, click on the last photo you wish to include in your selection. Lightroom will automatically select all photos in between, giving you a continuous range. Now, if your photos aren't all in a nice row, and you need to select a variety of non-adjacent images, you can still do this easily. Hold down the Control key if you're on a Windows computer, or Command if you're on a Mac. While holding down your key of choice, click on each photo you want to include. This method is perfect for those times when your selections are scattered across your library. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to look for the Share or Export icon. Typically, you'll find it lurking in the upper right corner of your screen. Give that a click. You'll be presented with a couple of different options. Choose either Export or Save to Computer. This is where the magic happens because selecting Export will give you a choice of how your photos will leave Lightroom. You'll get to set your export options, which are particularly crucial depending on what you're planning to do with your photos next. You'll be prompted to decide on the format your images should take. You may want them in JPG for standard purposes, or perhaps DNG if you need a raw image format. Next is the size. You can opt for the largest available size to maintain maximum detail or customize the size to suit your needs. You'll also set the quality level, ensuring your photos look exactly how you want them to. Don't forget to choose your color space to ensure consistency with other devices or applications. Another option you'll see is whether or not to include a watermark or metadata. These choices depend entirely on the purpose of your images, so take a moment to consider how they'll be used. Finally, determine the destination folder for your exported photos. Choose an easily accessible location on your computer to streamline your workflow. Once all settings are to your liking, go ahead and click Export. Your selected photos will be exported together, saving you precious time and effort. And that's it. A straightforward process for selecting and exporting multiple images in Lightroom Cloud. Stick around for more tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time.